Once cut avocado is exposed to oxygen, which makes it turn brown. Here are 11 ways to stop the browning from even starting. The only problem with avocado is when you try to save it and the outside turns brown, not very appetizing. So, why does this happen? It's just like apples and bananas. Avocado contains an enzyme that turns flesh brown when cut. This doesn't impact taste, just appearance. But it's not very pretty. Luckily, you can prevent this from happening a few different ways. Your main goal is simple: prevent oxygen from touching the cut avocado. No oxygen equals no browning. Got that? Let's get started. 1. You simply put plastic wrap over the cut side of the avocado and press it into place. But I've run into two major issues. First, plastic wrap is not easy to put on. At least for me. It gets stuck together. I cut myself on the box's serrated edge. I become frustrated and colorful words flow from my lips. Second, if you don't have it on tight enough, air gets in and here comes brown avocado. 2. I opt for spritzing my avocado with lemon or lime juice. In a pinch I will use orange juice. This creates a barrier that keeps your avocado green. Note, some people say that this can leave avocado slimy. I've never had this happen. 3. Some people say that simply keeping the pit in the head avocado works. I disagree. It does not. But it does mean that there is less surface area exposed to air. So leave it in there, and then combine ideas 1 and 2. Spritz with citrus juice and cover with plastic wrap. Keep it in the refrigerator for best results. 4. Keeping your avocado in a small airtight container, with a couple of slices of onion. It counteracts the enzyme that causes browning. 5. You can also spray the halved avocado with cooking spray, or rub it with cooking oil. It works like the citrus juice to keep a barrier between the avocado and the air. 6. Some cooks use cold water baths to prevent browning. This keeps air from reaching the flesh. Use this technique if you're prepping several avocados for use later in the day. Fill a bowl with cold water, add your hid avocados, refrigerate, use within 4 hours. If you have guacamole, or mashed avocado, there are a few other things you can do. 1. Press plastic wrap over the mound of guacamole. 2. Scoop the guac into a tall thin container. Then only the tiny bit at the top opening is exposed to air. Top that with plastic wrap and refrigerate until you're ready to use it. 3. Instead of plastic wrap on the top of the cylinder, pour cooking oil onto the top, about 1/8 of an inch. That acts as a barrier to the air. Pour off the oil and discard before serving, or stir it in. 4. Spritz the top of the guacamole with citrus juice, before topping it with plastic wrap.